When you gave out the kits, I was really eager to use it because, well, in teleforming, it's quite expensive. A pad is like 9 kina and you only have maybe 6 or 8 inside. I was looking forward to it because I know that I'm going to use it again, keep it clean and use it again. So it was kind of exciting.
I think it wasn't really a new information, but they had that in one of their subjects, personal development, and also in biology as well. When we went through this session, they were smiling because they got some of the information already. So from what you have gone through with them, I think it was quite clear to them, and I think they got it.
It was something new. I used it, and it's very nice, amazing. It's like it's normal for me to walk around.
At last time you give us out the new kids, it's very comfortable and it's nice.
It really helped us, especially economic-wise. When you deliver those items to us, we were very happy because we know that helped us a lot, especially by reducing the cost of buying those things.
Here in Teleforming days, it's very hard place for me to live. And sometimes I'll save my money for equipment or materials for our school needs.
In the store, it's very expensive and we usually waste a lot of money. Just usually for wearing it one day. But the new kids, it's nice. Use it and wash it again and reuse it again. So it's very nice.
What I've observed, this thing about these menstrual cycles, it has quite a lot of impact on the education because for those one who cannot afford, they tend to miss out lessons.
They stay in the dorm because sometimes they cannot afford to have a pad.
Before we had these sessions, I've seen that regularly coming up, popping up, like girls not attending to lessons because they find it very difficult in attending the lessons because they don't have those pads with them. So they rather think to stay back in the dormitories.
Going to wear these things, I never see any kinds of stain whenever I go or when I sit in the classroom. I can't see any stains.
In the first time when I wear it, I was so afraid. I might see a stain, so that's why at that day I didn't came to school, but I stayed at dormitory all day. But then in the evening I realized that there is no stain at all. It's very nice. So next day I came.
But now I see that most of them are coming to the classes. As a teacher, I'm very happy about this.
When I sit in desk or anyway, I can't feel because it's normal. I can't feel that I'm going to wear these things, but it's enjoyable.
I'm not using the pad anymore. It's something that it's not big for me, but it's like it's a normal thing that I'm wearing it. So it's comfortable for me to wear. And we say thank you for that, for helping us. And yeah, it's nice that it helped us.